Good morning students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 1, Computer, a storage and memory device. So open your computer book at page number 6. The main objectives of this chapter are data and information, data storage units, types of memory and storage devices. And today we will learn the topics data and information and data storage units. So the main objectives of the day are: what is data and information and what are data storage units. So open page number 6 of your computer book. Before discussing our main topic, we will discuss the terms, and our first term is data. Data is unorganized facts and figures. Second is information. Information is processed data. Now, on page number 6, our first topic is what is data and information. Students, the set of characters like alphabets, digits or special characters that represent facts or figures is known as data. Means whatever you type with the help of the keyboard on the computer is known as data. And when this data is processed by the processing unit, that is CPU, it is known as information. To understand this topic, let's consider an example from our day-to-day life. Students, suppose your father has bought cloth from the market and gave it to the tailor to stitch a kurta pajama out of it. So in this example, the cloth can be considered as data and kurta pajama can be considered as information. Because the cloth in its raw form is not useful until it gets converted into some dress. So students, in this example, the cloth which is in raw form is known as data. When this cloth is given to the tailor, it is processed by the tailor, and after processing, we have got a kurta pajama which has become an information for us. Let's consider one more example in context to computers. Students, while booking the railway ticket, you provide the details like train name, journey from, journey to, class and journey date to the computer. This data is processed by the computer and you get the railway ticket. So in this case, the details are known as data and the tickets which you get represent information. So students, data is unorganized and meaningless until it is processed by a processing unit and becomes information. Now, our next topic on page number 7 is data storage units. Data storage units are the ways by which computer data is expressed. Students, whatever we feed into the computer, it gets converted into a machine understandable code. Computer understands only two states: on, which is represented by 1, and off, which is represented by 0. So these two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. Students, how much data a storage device can store is measured by the size of the memory. So now we will learn the different data storage units. For example, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes, and so on. Students, let's consider an example of a mobile phone. Mobile phones are having SD card or memory card of different storage capacities like 2 GB, 4 GB and 128 MB. Similarly, we are having pocket storage device, that is pen drive, which is having different storage capacities like 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB and 32 GB. So these storage capacities represents how much data we can store in a storage device. And now we will do the full forms, and the first one is KB, kilobyte, second is MB, megabyte, third is GB, gigabyte, fourth is TB, terabyte, fifth is PB, petabyte, sixth is EB, exabyte, seventh is ZB, zettabyte, eighth is YB, yottabyte. So students, today we have learnt about data and information and different data storage units. So do reading of the pages 6 and 7 and do revision of the terms and full forms. Thank you and have a nice day.